Even. So very good. Last one. Correct. Last one, 50 divided by 5. Jessie.
50 divided by 5 is 10.
Very good. Correct. 10. Is number 10 odd or even number? Mark?
Even number.
That's correct. Even number. So, alam naman ninyo, at nakikita ko lang, you already know what is even and odd numbers. Again, what is even numbers? Can you please give me an example? Even numbers, grade 3. Ano daw yung mga even numbers? Ella? Again, can you please repeat, Ella, the number that Ella said? What numbers are even numbers?
4, 6, 8, 10.
Let's remember that those numbers are even numbers. 3, 4. Raven. Odd numbers.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Okay, very good. Can you please repeat 3, 4, whatever Raven said in odd numbers? What are those?
1, 8, 5, 7, 9.
Very good. Sounds kayo makakapag sa discussion natin. But before I proceed to our new topic, excited na ba kayo sa new topic natin? I'm sure you're going to decide to this game. Do you want to play a game? So, are you familiar with the game, The Boat is Sinking? Although you are familiar, children, I want to still tell you the mechanics of the game. So, all you have to do, mamaya, dito kayo mag-form ng lahat kayo together, grade 3 and grade 4. And when I say group yourself into two, kung anong numbers yung masabi ko, kailangan nyo mag-group in that particular number. Is it clear? And those classmates or students haven't met the specific number will be eliminated. So, yung uupo na yung mga estudyante or kaklase nyo na hindi maka-meet ng numbers na hinihingi ko. Maliwanag ba? Okay, dito na tayo. All together. Talaga namang mabuti na lang. Nag-invite ako ni Andon sa mga reward. Of course! Alam niyo naman sa teacher, maraming rewards sa mga bata. Nag-participate at the game throughout the class. So those who win will get a reward next week. So linis na kung sino mga nanalo. Kaya galingan nyo. Okay, let's start. Let's start the game. Okay. Are you ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourself
Raven ha,
into the boat. Remember, those who behave will get a reward from me next meeting. Those who never behave, walang reward ha. So behave. Okay, another. Group yourself into 5.
Paldo! Three. video. Upload na lang, ma'am.
Yes, whatever number I said, nagsusundo kayo lang. Nagsusundo kayo. Group nyo yung inyong mga sarili, kasama yung mga kaklase. And what happened to those classmates or students na hindi namimit yung specific numbers na hinihingi mo? Ano nangyayari? Joker? Yes, nag-eliminate. So, look at this comparison. Look at the number. 10. So, number 10. So, grade 3. Do you think number 10 can be? What numbers? Anong numbers yung pwede natin gamitin para mag-group natin yung 10?
Video.
Okay? What numbers, Ani? Listen, grade 4.
The number 10 would be grouped by 2 and 5.
Can be grouped by
2
2
and
and 5. So, tingnan nga natin kung tama yung sinasabi niya Lina. Do you think it's correct or not?
correct.
So, tingnan natin ha. Yung 10 daw, pwedeng i-group sa 2 at saka sa 5. So, example, we have 10 squares. 10 squares. 3, 4, 5, 6,
9, 10.
Tapos, let's see kung pwede siya mag-grupo sa 2. Okay, so example, grupo natin ito. Grupo natin ito. And this 5. 4, 5. So, lahat ba ay nasa grupo? Tama. So, ang 10 ay pwede i-grupo sa 2. Sa 2 by 2. So, how about the number 5? Pwede din ba siya sa number 5? Okay, tingnan natin kung pwede siya magtungkol sa number 5. Sa by 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isang grupo. And isang grupo. So, pwede or not? Can be grouped by 5 also. So, very good. How about the number 13? Let's see. How about the number 13? Pwede ba natin siya i-grupo? Why? Bakit hindi natin siya pwede i-grupo? So, ang number 13 ay hindi natin pwede i-grupo sa 2 or 5 because it will get a remainder. It's not even whole number. So, kapag lahat nasa grupo, meaning to say, automatically pwede siya mag-group or mag-divide o mag-divide. So, okay. Ayan. Kayo naman ang mag-ano? Kayo naman ang ayan, number 20. 20. Number 20, grade 4. Sa tingin mo kapag grupo natin, how many groups do we have? Are we going to do? Sa 20. At anong numbers yung pwedeng ipang grupo? 5. Then,
2, 4, 5, 10.
very good. Ano ka rin, Ben? Ano? Sa tulo na. Ay, sorry.
Pwede po ma'am,
Pwede ba siya? May remainder ba siya?
Wala po.
Wala. So exactly 10 groups, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Very good. How about in 4? By 4? What's one, sir? Clarice? By 4 naman. Tingnan natin kung pwede siya ituro sa by 4.
Meron din namin pili.
Anong ginagawa niyo? Mamaya din.
Ang number 10.
Okay. Mamaya, ano na tawag ko sa akin?
First daw po ni Ara.
Sino?
Ako.
Ikaw?
Nasa grade 4 po.
Ako
Nasa
na.
kabilang section.
Nasa ako lang section. Mamaya na eh. Okay, makinig ko na. Huwag na nyo si Ate Clarice, no? Pwede kayo makinig kay Ate Clarice para next year, alam na ninyo kung ano yung gagawin. Boys, at saka, boys,
Ito na po yung intro sa 444. Bali, may iba po tayo.
okay, very good. Exactly. 5. May remainder wala?
Wala.
Wala. So, ganun din siya sa 10 and 5. So, therefore, 5 is, can be grouped by 2, 4, 5, and 10. So, okay. While I'm discussing topic to grade 3, grade 4, I want you to answer this first. Answer this. Quietly, on your sheet of paper. Mamaya na tama tayo kung nag-answer nyo nito. Jomel, can you please help teacher to put this tindahan? Okay. Tama na. Alam ko ba ito? Get a sheet of paper and answer this quietly habang matutulong sa teacher sa grade 3. Maliwanag ba?
Opo.
Kaya na 5 minutes para tapos itong question. Itong questionnaire. So this is not grade 3. Today, we are going to talk about divisibility. And we're going to focus on divisible by 2. Remember what's the even numbers? Or even numbers? Yes, what are the even numbers again?
My even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8.
Alright, the divisibility rule by 2 states that if the last digit, the total was is even, what are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It can be divisible by 2. So, example. I'll give you an example. Grade 4, please be quiet. Answer it quietly, okay? Jomel? Magsagot ng tahimik at ako nag-discuss sa grade. Are you done?
No po.
May tanong si Joven.
Ano daw tanong?
Kung umutot na buhay mo, ayos lang.
Yung pagtutot ay mamaya na natin pag-uusapan. Bumukol ba o
Teacher,
hindi?
hindi naman po yun. Nanunod tayo po yun.
Oo, tama nga ito si Clarice. Makakatawa tayo. Pero mamaya na pag-uusapan yung pagkatapos na classes. Mamaya ng recess, okay? So ito, example. I give you example. Grade 3 listen. 8 can be divisible by 2. So, yung 8 daw, pwede ba divisible by 2 or not?
Yes!
Why? Because number 8 is
Even
number. So therefore, number 8 is divisible by 2. Ano magiging quotient dito? Ano magiging quotient? 4. Correct. Very good, grade 3. How about the number 6? Is it divisible by 2 or not?
Yes!
Is it Very good. So, therefore, our topic today is all about okay, sabi ko na-raise your hands. Yes, Anne?
Teacher, I think our topic for today. Ano ba? Teacher, what's happening?
Sir na. Please.
Teacher, namin
Okay, mamaya tatawagin ko siya. Siguro dahil siya yung tumas ng kamay, siya yung natawag.
Very hard po pa.
May reward. So, next time kayo na yung iba naman na para natin makakakuha ng reward. So, yes, continue. Ano yung topic natin?
Ano po, I think our topic for today is all about visibility rules for 2.
Very good. Nalikaan. Para mahal ko lang natin mo ay nakita yung ating topic. Again, what are the topic that na-discuss ko? Ano yung topic natin?
Divisibility rules for 2 by the common factors of numbers.
Very good. Grade 3. So, since nag-focus tayo sa numbers na pwedeng i-divide sa 2, so ang topic natin ay divisibility by 2. So, are you done? Grade 4?
Yes,
Kayo?
sir.
So, pass your paper now. At later on, we're going to check it. As a teacher, ay dinabala sa inyo. Ayan. Tapos na ba? Bigay kayo yung play lahat pag tapos na, ha? Be quiet. Ayan. Kayo mga grade 3. Habang nag-discuss teacher sa grade 4, I want you to observe this. Observe it quietly, okay? So, tahimik lang ha. Tahimik lang. At kapag natapos kayo ng maaga, bigyan ko kayo ng 3 minutes para sa lumayan. Pili kayo, you can also listen to my discussion to your brothers and sisters sa grade 4, alright?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes?
Ano po yung mga namin?
Okay, very good. So, grade 4.
Almina, shout out ka.
So, nakita naman ninyo ay Raven, please keep your pencil first. Tapos yung mga pencil at gusto ko ay makikinig talaga kayo kay teacher na yun. So, ano mga discuss ko sa grade 3? Nakikinig ba kayo? Ano nga lang yun?
Divisibility rules for 2 and
May lagi pa kayo more? Naman. So, nag-focus lang ako yung isa.
Teacher!
Yes?
Nasagot na yung topic niya.
Ay, wala ko lang ako. Alam ko, hindi makakakuha ng report ang mga
Nasagot na po ako.
tandaan. Almina, hindi makakakuha ng report ang mga nagsimulan. Ayaw ko na maulit itong pangyayari nito. Dahil hindi ito maganda. Ready mo ba, grade 3? Okay, mamaya kakausapin ko kayo, ha?
Hindi po kami nagkakaroon.
Bawal na pala. At gano'n din sa inyong grade 4. So, ano nga ulit? Okay, kung tapos-tapos na ba?
Di ba po?
Kung sabi mo kanina, pag tapos na, pwede makinig sa?
Grade 4.
Para next year, may idea na kayo sa aaralan natin. So, grade 4. Grade 4. Raven?
Yes.
Ano nga rin yung tinulong ko sa grade 3?
divisibility rules by 2.
Yan. And this time, we're going to focus on divisible by 5 sa grade 4. Okay, easy lang. Clarice, don't play that first. Keep that toy inside your bag. Ryan. Or else you will not get any reward next meeting. Okay, ano na ulit? Focus tayo sa first.
Divisibility by
Ano na mga karating classroom rules?
it is properly.
Property. Adjusting. Ano ka ba? Adjusting. Jay, mas makikita mo yung classmates mo.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Is
It
Number 3.
decent attention.
automatically that numbers can be divisible by
5.
so let's give you an example. 105. Do you think it could be divisible by 5 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Divisible by
5.
yes. Ano magiging sagot? Correct? So, is it on whole number or not? May remainder ba kayo nakikita?
Yes.
So, therefore, 105 is divisible by
5.
how about this? Is it divisible by 5 or not?
Yes.
Zero.
The last digit is?
Zero.
Yes, ma'am.
So, automatically, this number is divisible by
5.
quotient.
100.
Ano magiging quotient?
All.
400. Is it whole number?
Yes.
Remainder?
Wala.
So, let's, kayo naman magbigay ng, it's your turn to give an example, the number that can be divisible by 5. Brian? 100. Yes, correct. Is Brian correct?
Yes.
And the last digit is?
0.
Correct. So, let's proceed to Tracy. Let's proceed to divisible by?
Yes.
Ano sabi sa rule ng divisible by 10?
0.
Numbers
The
and
number.
the numbers and
All together, all together.
The numbers as on as 0.
Correct. If the last digit is nagtatapos sa?
Zero.
So, very, is it very simple or?
Zero.
Ano yun ba?
Yes.
Ano din mga numbers na pwede i-divide sa 10?
50.
So, itatapos na sa
Four.
quotient?
5.
Right, correct. Very good. So therefore, grade 4, our topic today is all about
Teacher,
then ano topic natin?
I think teacher, our topic for today is divisibility rules by 5 and 10.
Yes, that is right. Because we just focus on 5 and then sa pag-iintigan ito, then, para makita natin ang mga klase nyo. Grade 3 lang din ba kayo? Tapos na ba kayo? Kung tapos na, bakit siya kayo? Bakit? Ano mo pag-iara? Ano yan? JR, sa banana? Sino ulit si JR? Sino to si JR? Okay, mamaya. Crush na Ella si Candy. Ella and Candy forever. Sino mga bata?
Seryoso na tayo.
Ano ba yung sabi ng mga magaling nyo? Ella, love Candy pa ito, ha? Sino mga sarap? Bawal pa yung mga galing nyo. Magagalit ang parents. Ayan, okay? Ano sabi ng mga grade 4? Sabi ko sila daw. So, makinig tayo sa ating mga hulaan. Okay. So, ayan, naniwala grade 4?
Yes.
Sa aking topic is all about divisible by 5 and
And
so, malinaw na ang mga topic natin ngayon.
Yes.
Guided activity. So, what you have to do is, I want you to group yourself into, magsasama ang grade 4 and grade 3. So, all you have to do is to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 first. Mula kay N. 1, and I can be the 1, 2, 3 lang. Wala tayong zero, ha? Wala tayo. Hanggang 3 groups lang tayo. Again, 1. Jmar? 2. 3 muna. Marunong ako mag-bilang. Alam mo kung may bibis. Okay, mag-grouping ka tayo. 3.
3.
3.
Ayan. Before you go to your group mates, I want you to explain what is going to do. Sino group 1? Sino group 1 lahat? Ayan. Group 1 lahat. Ang group 1
Bima! Bima!
Tama.
Patayan mo.
30.
Patayan mo.
Wala pa.
Okay? Nagsasagot ba ang lahat? Alam ba ang gagawin? Di ba po ako
Ano naman? Ano naman?
remember our rules, children? The rules of 2, 5, and 10. Para hindi kayo malito, okay? Tapos na ba ang gawin? Okay, quiet lang kayo dyan. Hintayin natin yung mga ibang group. How about group 2? Very good.
Jesse.
Quiet lang ang group 2, ha? Take out the door to the center. Tapos na lang ang group 3.
Teacher! Tapos na po
Okay, come forward. Come here now. And let us listen to group 1 first. The center.
Sir, doon naman sir.
Group 3, come here and sit down.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, classmates. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the group one. I am checking the numbers that checking the numbers that are divisible by 2 or add 2 as their factor. Teacher, numbers that is divisible by 2 ends with 2, 4, 6, 8. That's why number 1, 284 ends with number 4 is divisible by 2. And 244 ends with the number 4 also divisible by 2. And teacher, checking the numbers that are divisible by 5 or have 5 as their factor here. According to the rule of divisibility by 5, it is lastly the number 0 and 5. That's why 2000 ends with 0, so it is divisible by 5. Also here, 4,435 ends with number 5, so it is divisible by 5. And here, checking the numbers that are divisible by 10 or as 10 as their factor. According to the divisibility rules, a number that ends 0 is divisible by 10. So 120 ends with 0, so it is divisible by 10.
Very good. Okay, group 2 and group 3, give the group 1 a very good clap.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, very good.
Okay, next group 2. Let's listen to group 2. Okay, group 2. We will start now.
Instruction. Insert the number that is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. And so, according to rules, the divisible by 2 INs of 0 to 468. So the first is left. So we circle the left, 148,
Gusto ko naman.
600, and
Iping, sarap.
156. The next is divisible by 5, and with 0 and 5. So 35, 140, 135, 235. And the last is divisible by 10, and with 0. So we circle the 20, 170, 230, and 400.
Yes, correct. So, group 1 and group 3, give the tip to a very good job clap. Good job clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, last group, group 3. Okay, group 3.
Using
He said,
where we are the group 3. Using a pentagram of the number below that is divisible by 2 on the color red, divisible by 5 on the color yellow, and divisible by 10 on the color blue. Numbers divisible by more than one number should be placed in the overlapping section. So we'll start to 748. If you can see, 748 is the last number is 8, so it's divisible by 2 because hindi divisible siya sa 5 and 10. It's even number. Right?
Even.
Let's proceed to 135. If you can see, the last number is 5, so it's divisible by 5. By 5, so nakalagay siya po siya ay sa yellow number. Next one is 620. The last number is 0, she. So it's divisible to all. Teacher,
Yes,
look at
okay.
it's divisible to 5, 2, and 10. So, naka-play siya dito sa gitna. 912, 2. So, it's divisible in 2.
Be quiet.
605, the last number is 5. So, it's divisible by 5. Hindi siya divisible sa 10 and 2 because, bakit na? Yes. 830. The last number is 0. So, divisible siya sa 5, 2, and 10. 806. Kung makikita nyo, the last number is 6. So, divisible lang siya ay sa 2.
Okay.
And 415. 5. So, divisible siya ay sa 5. 590. Nagdagdag po siya sa the last number is 0. So, divisible po siya sa half. That's why.
Very good, group 3. So, ano pang number natin bigay sa group 3?
20.
Okay. Mosquito clap.
Shake clap.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. Grade 3, grade 4. I can tell that you already And sasagutan nito.
Ano na ba?
So grade 3, ano yung instruction? Circle the word yes if the number is divisible by 2 and no if it is not. Maliwanag?
Yes.
How about grade 4? Grade 4, answer the following questions. Show your solution or write your reasons why it is divisible by 5 or 10. Listen, grade 4. I want to see your solution sa inyong mga paper. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Yes? No, just answer. But you can show